All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So feeling blue. Blue. Let's try and get a picture. Blue, perhaps. Blue. Ah, yeah, blue. Blue. Yeah. Blue. Very nice. So feeling sad. Oh, sad. Yes. Sad. For whatever reason. Sad. Yeah. Because blue is traditionally the colour of like sadness and cold. When you're cold, things are blue, so you're feeling blue. Why? Why are you feeling blue? He asked. Yeah, I often feel blue when I hear the bad news. Yeah, possible. He is feeling blue since he got the news. Yeah. She is feeling blue since it happened. Don't feel blue. You can always improve. Always get better. Yes. Yeah. She might feel blue for a while, but eventually she will improve. She will cheer up. Cheer up. Cheer up. How cool is that? Yeah. I think he's feeling blue now. Yeah. Is he feeling blue? I doubt it. He has a lot to look forward to. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Okay. Without any news, they will start to feel blue. Yeah. So sometimes when there is nothing good, they might feel blue. Yeah. The bad news could bring people down to feel blue. Yeah. Sometimes people feel blue in late January, because that is when things aren't so good and the weather starts to turn cold. Yeah. Oh, cold. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, so don't feel blue. Don't feel blue. Things will get better. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use feeling blue in a sentence? Yeah. Comment below. And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. Yeah. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too when you look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.